we will not even reach December, so we came across Fiji through Instagram, and it was we were like really excited that in the beginning of November, usually we see this only abroad where everything is lit and Christmassy during November. So we were very excited.
Yeah.
So we thought day one itself we have to come. Really like the Christmas tree collection from there last year. So we did some purchasing like that. So I was really looking forward to seeing this collection today. But today I think it was like far more amazing than last year. Like it was like, we were like awestruck seeing the whole decor and amazing collection this time. Very, very amazing. ഇത്രയും ഒരിക്കലും പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചില്ല.
മേടിക്കണ്ടെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അയാൾ മേടിച്ചു പോകും.
അതെ അതെ, ശരിക്കും കാണാൻ വേണ്ടി വന്നത്. പക്ഷേ we are all loaded with stuff.
ചുമ്മാ കണ്ടിട്ട് പോകാനൊക്കെ വിചാരിച്ചു വന്നതാ. പക്ഷേ the collection was really good. I even got a tree, so it was very nice. So this is the first time I'm coming. So hopefully next year എന്തായാലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു ഷുവർ കസ്റ്റമർ കാണും. And wish you guys all the best.
Yeah, and Merry Christmas.
Yeah,